Just a quick video to explain the new price change feature we've added to the Burdi software. On the dashboard you will see we've added a notices section on the navigation bar with a subheading price changes. This new feature is designed to pick up on any price changes you've made to your products. Once you've sent an invoice from ServiceMate to the customer, Burdi will pick up on any price changes that you have made manually. This information will then be available on the price change page. For example, Burdi's recommended sale price on this item is $5.26 and you've sold it for $4.60. Once the invoice has been sent to your customer from ServiceMate, Burdi will pick up on the price change and give you three options. You can either accept, this will lock in the sale price of $4.60 to that product code, and Burdi will automatically generate a minimum markup margin based on the sale price and set that to the product in case of any wholesaler price rises. Or you can set a custom price. This will give you a pop-up to set a custom price going forward, also with an automated minimum markup margin. Or you can ignore, which will leave the sale price as the recommended. Once you've made a selection, Burdi will also update the price in ServiceMate materials in case you use one of these items out of your stock. We thought this would be another quick time saver to help you sell products at the same price every time, rather than picking a number out of your head. We hope you find this feature useful, and please contact us if you have any questions.